you can see, Chip and Debbie on board. It's January 2022, and we're flushing out our Mermaid HVAC. It's a Mermaid 12,000 BTU heat and air conditioning unit, running through muriatic acid through it. Put my headlamp on it. This is the out. So it's running it through the cooling where the salt water would normally go. And then over here, where we have actually have a freshwater system set up. It's a flush that we flush it out with when we're done using it for the season. Anyway, the muriatic acid is taking the place of the fresh water. It's coming through this valve, which goes through here, and then over to here, and then over through the strainer. We took the strainer out. Muriatic acid will etch up on the strainer. And then over here, and then through our clock pump down there. And then back up in through the air conditioning unit. So here it is. Here's actually the through-hole valve here, which comes up and would normally go through there. Then we have a fresh water flush, so that if we're not going to use it for a while, we just run through some fresh water through it. But this time I'm using it to send muriatic acid through it to clean the whole thing out. And I'll let it run for about 20 minutes. And then flush it with fresh water. Then turn it on and run it through this with salt water, and then use the freshwater flush to flush it out. It'll be all done. And as you can see on the side, I mean, usually you don't need to run it the freshwater flush through it. Usually we just run the muriatic acid through it, and then it's ready. We run it for a little bit to flush it out even further after we do the freshwater flush. But this time we're packing it away, so we don't like to leave salt water in the system. And then you never know how much flush the bucket of, we'll put a bucket of fresh water here and just flush it for 20 minutes. There still might be muriatic acid stuck in there. So we'll do some further flushing, and then it'll be all packed away for the summer when we're not going to be here. That's it. There you can see on the side.